This is an update to my gingerbread house and also a voiceover for this video since my audio quality was not good when recording this outside. The wind just totally ruined this video, and I know that my audio file that you guys are listening to now isn't the greatest. Yes, I need a new microphone, but that will be in the future. So for now, we just got to deal with this bad audio file. So anyways, I made this gingerbread house / tower back in December of last year. And if you saw that video, you know I wasn't impressed with it. I did not like it, and I want to make a new one. And I also want to make some little evil gingerbread men maybe and some monsters. I'm not sure, but I want to remake this, and I'm going to make this out of XPS foam mostly and maybe a few other things. Here comes the fun part of this video. I will be making a video for Halloween of me remaking the evil gingerbread tower. And what I want to do is a contest. So if you want to get in this contest, you're going to have to subscribe to the channel. Yes, you have to be a subscriber to participate in this. So any of my fellow subscribers now, you are all allowed into this contest. And what I want everybody to do is make their own evil version of a gingerbread house or tower, but it has to be made out of material like XPS foam, any kind of crafting material. It can be made out of anything. Go ahead, make it out of wood, make it out of metal, make it out of whatever you want. It has to be handmade. It cannot be 3D printed. I will give you my email address so you can send me videos or pictures of your evil gingerbread house or tower. The deadline for those will be on the 1st of October, and then I will be doing the video release for my gingerbread house on Halloween, and that will also have everybody else's videos and pictures of their crafts. Have until the release of this video all the way up till August 1st to get your videos or pictures in of your crafts. Will be posted in the community board of my channel after the video is played, so keep an eye out for it. And then we will do the drawing, and then whoever has the most votes will win a $50 Amazon card on me for you, so you can continue on doing what you're doing and buy what you want on Amazon. Until then, guys, remember to ring that bell like a hunchback. So here I go. Are you guys ready? Bye-bye gingerbread house.